Through upright waterfalls emerged my prince, showing respect for his upcoming plight. Princess Harnish followed his lead. With scented warm oils, she prepared the landscape to sight. His velvet voice, the aphrodisiac, aware of his smooth brandy-like effect. Soul beats filled the romantic ambience. Innocence left at the door, I suspect. Knees seen, my prince began the royalties, gently outlining her plain nibbles too. Romance was his only weapon of choice. Nibbles sending shockwaves to the brain he blew. Wordless liberato, tongue-tipped staccato, around my princess, groundwork for blood boiling like an internal sauna, she opened wide to present the sweet snack. My prince, a dream steeped in light. Months of talking, he now knows his subject. The princess servant, in humble honor, knew not what she was to expect. He did not arrive on a gallant horse, but Princess Harnish prepared for the ride. In search of the most satisfying spot, he flipped her on her vulnerable side. Like a roasting veal, snipped zeal, fingers feel, he gently guided her belly face down. Her age showed in her weakened carriage knee. Sauna produced a liquid hail. Her majesty felt like a newborn queen, breathless, lifeless, hopeless before Harnish. Now the princess is out of retirement. The diamond gems have removed her tarnish. Decision to reposition Her Highness in the position almost around slip. Increased movement, intentional plodding, chose to shift from the humorous grip. Natural reaction, royalty throbbing. Losing consciousness, the Dido took flight. The carriage was raised again to its knees. My prince now out of immediate sight. His existence felt strong and confident, whilst body was in a state of chocolate melt. The princess now slain by my prince. True satisfaction, serenity felt. Molten gold all over Princess Harnish. Royalty laid on the robe of the afterglow. In triumph, a smile took over his face. Next encounter, no one will ever know.